Hello, Leo, here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. This is a general timeless energy reading by Soul Vibrations. Today I'll be using tarot, and I'll also be pulling a card from the Law of Attractions Oracle card, and I'll be using my pendulum to check on your auras or your chakras, wherever mostly resonates with you, the word. Also, a friendly reminder, this is a general energy reading. I don't reach out to anybody asking for any, or trying to, again, put my services out there like that. I hope that if you are interested in a personal energy reading, that you would contact me. Also, just reminder as well, like if you would like to check your other placements with my other readings that I've done to see if you can get additional messages through there as well. So with that said, I wanted to clarify that I did shuffle and premeditated on your energy, focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. So I pulled 3 cards from there, and so now I'll be turning them. We'll start with the first one, which is the 7 of Pentacles. The Tower, which is Major Arcana. Okay, and the Lovers. 2 major arcanas here. Arcanas are they truly represent like the structure of human consciousness. They hold the keys to life lessons. And so already, with this particular, I guess, this message, what I'm feeling ultimately is like some sort of like delay, like having like perseverance too is what I feel, because change is here. Definitely the Tower does represent change. I don't see anything negative. I mean, this can mean like distress or like, definitely it's like surrendering to the storm, like something that it's been like brewing. But what I do feel like that is like brewing is definitely change. Like there's change in store. Like there's some sort of something that you have to wait, and you really, with the 7 of Wands, is like asking you to like really analyze and really reflect on what's been had, or what is currently had or been done, or what you currently have, like what you've harvested or the seeds that you've planted in life. Ultimately, you're very much protected, so don't feel overwhelmed by this, or don't let fear or anything like this take over, because you're very much protected in a very beautiful way. The Lovers, speaks about love, attraction, beauty. But what I'm getting most from this is like overcoming trials, making the right choice, in either relationships or just in general in your actions. So, yes, just because these will set bigger ripples in your life, this kind of energies, I think that you need to just be mindful and very much grounded, because this is earth element, pentacles. It speaks to our body, our material needs, our finances. So be very grounded and get creative and work with others. Color orange tells me that, blue is very creative. It's inspirational. So as far as like your actions, what you're doing, just continue being always from a place of love, for not only for yourself, but for others. Do everything for your greatest self, but for the good of all, type of thing. And change is coming, and it's all, we can't control that. So might as well, roll with it. I hope that this message resonates, Leo. Thank you so much. I'm going to pull a card from the oracles. I had already shuffled, but I just got the instinct to do it again. Okay. Flow. Beautiful. Flow. Riches flow into my life in many ways and from many directions. Yes. Now I'll be checking on your auras or your chakras. See where you need to give a little bit more light for a better flow of energy. Very interesting. Thank you, Pendulin. This have been for all of my readings that I've done so far, except one, which was Scorpio. But the rest are all coming out for the base chakra and the crown chakra, which to me that means that energetically speaking, like just collectively, we all need to be here. We all need to be focusing and bringing in more of this in order to, again, invite new change positively into our lives. And so I'll speak for about, base chakra, which is the first one. And it is the color red, and its connection to earth, its grounding, its stability, balance, trust, physical health, nourishment, strength, family, roots, security, survival, prosperity. What do these keywords mean to you? Apply them. Really be in a trusting of what you're doing. Physically be outside. Just focus on your family. Give light to these keywords. Bring them to life. And then it's crown chakra, which is a connection to the universe. It's your spirituality, awareness, consciousness, wisdom, meaning, inner joy, peace, wholeness. It is the color purple or violet. And so when it comes to these colors, even try to wear them, meditate on that kind of energy, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables that are red or purple, things that are alive, again, to invite more of this energy to have a better flow, or to lift the vibrations of this world, because apparently we all need to be focusing on these specific, what brings you joy, what makes you feel whole, what are your true meaning of your values. Connect to earth, prosperity, survival, all that. What makes you feel secure? So with that said, Leo, thank you so much for your time and attention. I send you the best of vibes, and I hope to be here again for you guys. Okay? Thank you. Ciao.